Welcome back, everybody. I think it's what today is. We're gonna go in like super slow on this road because I'm doing all types of stuff that I shouldn't be doing. The 15th, April 15th. That means it's tax day in the United States. So that means your taxes are due by Monday, and if you don't get them in, they're coming to get you. And I just came off of 555. Look at the purple, these little purple trees. I love the purple trees. I don't know why. I planted a purple tree. Our purple tree died, so I get to cut it down. It makes me sad. But I just came off of 555, and that was a squirrel moment. Yes, it was. Came on to 669, I do believe. And I'm heading back toward the Muskingum River, I do believe. I came out of Zanesville, south of 555, the infamous triple nickel, and this road, and I don't know how long it is like everything that Ohio has to ride in this one road. So you can see right now we're in a nice little twisty, and you're gonna have to excuse me, I haven't been on this road for a long time, and maybe only once this way. So we got these twisty little roads, pop up over these corners, or these little hills you can't see. You know, just a fantastic little road. And then it goes into farmland. You're like up on this little bluff, and it's let's get this thing whoa down. My goodness, that's sharp. And then you're up on a little bluff, and it's farmland. And then you go down, and it's like canyony. It's quite amazing. It truly is. And this is Ohio roads. You know, if you want flat farmlands where you can just turn the wick up, we got them. If you want twite, the hilly roads, if you're gonna have to excuse me. If you want tight, twisty roads, we have those. And then we have these roads that are like a roller coaster, to where you pop up over them and you don't know where the road is on the other side. It could be in front of you, it could be to the left of you, the right of you. You know, it's amazing. So hey, that's chicken. What are you doing on the road? Hey, chick, where's the rest of them? I got away. I'm looking at the chicken. It's like I've never seen a chicken before out walking around. You know, we just have everything here, so don't think Ohio is just flat farmland. We have a ton of great roads to ride. I think it would be cool, like down at the back of the Dragon in Tazewell. They have this like little souvenir shop. I mean, it's more than a little souvenir shop. They have a food truck out back, which really good hamburgers. I mean, I was really impressed. But I'm a fat guy, so take that at, you know, fat guy thinks all food's good, right? It's food, yum. But you know, they have a souvenir shop. They have the food truck. I think they even do like off-road tours out of there. They got merchandise. They got a little brewery or a tap room. You know, they have about everything someone would want, and it would be cool if we could do something like that here in Ohio on some of our great roads. It'd be cool if I could do something like that in Ohio on some of our great roads. Yeah, we're just gonna cut right through this dude's farm. Hey, how you doing? Don't mind me. Just coming through. Yeah, right through his farm. It's pretty cool. I need to set up that 360 camera. We'll see. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. It's just nice being able to ride, to be honest with you. This week has been an absolutely incredible week. We've had temperatures in the 80s, which is remarkable. And I've been almost able to ride every single day. And I have totally enjoyed myself. So this is a Saturday, the 15th, like I said. I think I took off about 10:30. And the wife, and that's what we call the wife, is the wife. She's like, so where are you going? I'm like, I don't know. She's like, it really doesn't matter, does it? And for once, I was like, I don't know. Or I said it did, or I don't remember really the conversation, except, here we go. Now we're coming down. You know, I wanted a planned route today for whatever reason. You know, sometimes I just get that way. See, here we go. We're just dropping down. Little canyon road, I guess you could call it. It's super quick. You can come just super quick. Nice road. So, you know, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know how long I'm going to be out. Hopefully most of the day, to be honest with you. Hopefully this is a tank of gas kind of day. The last couple days, or the last couple times that I've taken this thing out, I've gone through, well, the other day I didn't. But I've been able to do, you know, a tank of gas. That makes for a good ride. It makes for, the start of a good week, or the end of a good week. This is a big bump. Boom, boom. Now I'm just chill. I'm fourth gear, just chilling down through here, just looking at all the sights because it's wonderful. You know, so this was just one road off of a road. You know, 555 is a great road. It's like 85 miles long, runs from north to south. And this is just one road. Off of that one road. And there we go. There's the Muskingum River. I love rivers. Look how low we are down in here. Yeah, that old logging cabin. We are crazy low. I dig it. I mean, I wouldn't want to be these houses, but nice little ride down through here. Go ahead and give me 6th gear, people. Oh, I'm not even in 6th gear yet. See, I'm telling you, my mind is shot. Oh, that'd be a nice little place to stay. Set up a couple cabins, bring the wife out here. Chill for a weekend or longer. Oh, well, let's just look at that really quick. I was like, what's this cut in here really quick? Well, the cut in is this. Bump, bump. I dig it. So it's coming down and swirling around, and it's, so they've driven steel girders in to keep the road from washing out, because it looks like it did wash out right there. Yeah, I dig it. Oh, I know that place. That's a little cool place to stop, and you can walk down on the lock. I really like it. So they are doing some work, it looks like. So let's see if we can, we got a car coming, or is that car that just left? I think we'd be good. We just make it quick. Dig it. And they have a lot of those, I forget what type of dam, and as you can tell, English, you would think, living in the United States, English would be easy for me. No, it's not. It's not. English is not easy for me. But I don't know how many of those are on there, and then each one has a lock. and the locks are numbered. It's pretty cool though. I like seeing them. So I need to figure out where I want to go today. Today is all about, this is like the first Saturday in a long time. I need to get my foot up here. This is the first Saturday in a long time that I've actually been able to ride this early. And it's all about riding today, to be honest with you. And then maybe later tonight, I need to, on this Spider, I need to get it ready for spring. And that's weird for me to think that at 19,000 miles, how many miles? 18,976 miles, that I need to worry about putting a second set of brake pads on this thing. You know, I need to get it towed in a little bit. And I think what I'm going to do with this is I got the manual, so it can tell me how it wants towed in or towed out. And I'm just going to do it myself. And I know it's not going to be right. I'm just going to finish these tires off. I have brand new tires at the house already. I'm just going to tow it in. I'm going to ride it, get through this season, and then I want a laser alignment done. A laser alignment would be like when you get your car aligned at a dealership. They base everything off the rear, so everything's true and straight and track straight. If you just, what I'm going to do, just do a tow set, it's not matching anything up to the rear. The tires are going to be straight. That's it. We're not doing a thrust alignment where we're having a center point through the center of the Spider and measuring off of that center point. The tires are just going to be pointed straight, and at what axis that is, it is what it is. But that'll cut the wear down. And I've really noticed here lately, like if I hit this yellow line, this thing's just going to dart left. It doesn't seem to do it as bad on the right, but on the left it just yanks me. And that's because those tires are towed out. And what I mean by towed out is the tires are straight, but they're towed out. The front of the tires are pointed out, and I just need to tow them in a little bit. So I will make the tie rods there on the back side. The tie rods aren't on the back side, so you break the jam nuts. There's two jam nuts, and then you turn the adjuster. Oh, there's a stick. And we're going to lengthen that tie rod, and that in turn is going to take that tire and it's just going to tow it in. And then once I can get it to a shop, because the shop that can do it is an hour and a half from my house. So not only do I have to get there, I mean, I guess I could get there and wait, but I don't want to do that because anything could happen, right? No, that's a little sandbar. Oh, because there's a little river creek thing coming in. Anything can happen, so that means we will be taking the Spider, driving it. The wife will be following me on this really twisty road. We will be dropping the Spider off, and then we will be driving back. So right there, just in drive time, is 3 hours. And then the next weekend is probably when we would pick it up. We just let them have it for a whole week, and then we would pick it up the next weekend. And then it's another 3 hours of just getting there and back. Boom. Look how pretty this is. Yeah, don't mind that line. That's a suggestion, people. Or at least here in Ohio. Is that a decent road? It looks kind of gravelly. It's kind of gravelly. Be a nice road to explore on the little dual sport. Go. There's the purple ones. Springtime in Ohio is normally not the best. We normally get just a ton of rain, but you know, I'm not gonna complain. I've been able to ride quite a bit, so here we go. I think I'm gonna let everybody go. I mean, that's some riding we've done here. Ooba. Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, all right. Look at that, perfect road to ride. So far I've picked, well, 22 out of Lancaster all the way up to, I forget the little road in between 22 and 555, and then 555 and 669, and got a river, and we got moo cows, and did I say we have a river? A river. Muskingum, the Muskingum River. So on that, I will let everybody go. So give me a big old thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. I will see everybody down the road. Stay safe, everyone.